Orchids are some of the most beautiful flowers to me, especially when it comes to decorating with them around my home. I want to share how I turned a simple faux orchid into a showstopper centerpiece for my dining room table. Because my dining room table is substantial, I needed a substantial piece. At home stores is my favorite place to shop for unique size planters, and they have so many colors and shapes to choose from. For $50, I got this 13 by 9 planter. It's white with a honeycomb-like pattern and texture. It looks amazing on my weathered wood dining table. Curly willow and corkscrew willow add sophistication and style to any floral arrangement, and you can find them almost at any craft store. Michael's had some for $16.99, and I used my 40% off coupon to get an extra savings, and I also grabbed 2 floral foams, moss, and shredded paper. But the main thing you'll need is a nice, beautiful orchid. Burlington has so many orchids that are not only beautiful, but they were under $20. Take it from me, when you see one like this, grab it. I placed the potted orchid on top of the foam, and then I traced it because I didn't want the pot to sit inside instead of on top of the foam. I dug a hole, this way the planter is more stable. However, it's not going anywhere, but I felt better doing it this way. Next, I added hot glue, but it didn't hold, so I added E6000 to the bottom of the foam and glued it to the pot. Next, take your willow and place them in the foam. You can use how many you like. I only used 3 because I didn't want to take away from the orchid. I then added shredded paper. It will save you on buying a lot of moss. That's just my way of doing it. You don't have to do it that way. I then added super moss. It comes in a roll, and I just cut random pieces, mixing it in with peat moss, and then you fluff until it looks right to you. Orchids can transform your table into a conversation piece. They're not only great to use for the holidays, but they're great to use every day. And for my new followers, welcome! I have a rug collection. I will leave that link down below, along with a discount code to save you 25% off your order. I hope this has inspired you, and I want to thank you all for watching.